Hi everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. I have a Dollar General haul to share with you today. This is just a small haul, so without further ado, let me share with you what I got. Alright, here we go guys. Here is the Dollar General items that I purchased. And let me share it with you. There are some Christmas items here that I found at the Dollar General, and I found it cute, and I think I can incorporate it with my Christmas decor, so I pick it up. Here you go. Alright, first thing I got is this Handy Wrap Ultra Cling. It's microwavable, and I just get one of this so I can use it in my kitchen. It's only $1, guys. Comes in 80 square feet. And this is by Handy Wrap. I got one of that. Next, I got one of this Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening. This is also just $1. Comes in 60% free. And yeah, who doesn't need toothpaste every day? So I got that one. Next, we love these Oreo tins, Oreo tin mints, and I get 2 of this. Nothing fancy. Next item I got is this cutlery, premium white cutlery spoons by Max Home. It comes in 48 counts. I usually get this at Dollar Tree, but now Dollar Tree is charging it for $1.50. This one is only $1 at Dollar General, so I get 2 of this. This is by Max Home. The same quantity but lower price, so I got 2 of that. I just get the spoon because I still have more of the pork, so I got the spoon one. Moving on, next item I got is this Handy Wrap paper plates. This is also just $1. Again, $1.50 at the Dollar Tree, but this one is only $1. It comes in 40 count and the 9-inch paper plates. So I get 2 of this. So I have 4 pieces of paper plates here. Next item, I found this very cute Christmas decor. Of course, it's a cat, but yeah, I love it. So I paid $2 for this one, but it's worth it because it's pretty cute, isn't it? It's a cat, and the color looks like a gingerbread, so I pick up this one. The next item here, I also got 2 of this holiday style DIY ball ornaments. I've been looking for this long time ago, but I just found this at Dollar General, and this is only $1. It says here fillable, comes in 2 counts, so I want to use this for a future DIY project, so I get 1 of this. And the last item I have here is this beautiful container. It's a candy container, and it's as you can see, it is snowman. Very cute. And this one is also $2. It says here candy jar by Holiday Style, and this one has the lid. The top is a lid. This is how it looks. You have to twist it so you can open it. And I love the snowman. They also have a different photo or like design. It's like I believe they have what is this? Santa Claus and Christmas tree. But I get this clear one in snowman. So I will put my peppermint candy on this one. And there you have it, guys. Like I said, this is just a small haul, but it's worth to share. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and a good night, and that's all for now. See you next time. God bless everyone.